Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get an invisible frame. First, open your game or creative software application. Next, locate the specific item or block you want to make invisible. Make sure you have the right tools or commands ready and accessible. Prepare your inventory or workspace for the process, as we'll be moving quickly through the easy steps. Now, let's apply the invisible effect. You'll use a specific command, often found in creative modes or developer consoles. Target the frame or item directly with this command. Double-check that your command syntax is correct for your game version. You should see the frame become transparent or disappear right before your eyes, making it truly hidden. After applying the effect, it's important to verify. Check if the frame is truly invisible to all players in your environment. Once confirmed, you can place the invisible frame exactly where you need it. Make sure other items can still interact with it as intended. Test its functionality with various objects to ensure everything works perfectly. Here are a few tips and troubleshooting steps. Always save your progress frequently to avoid losing your hard work. If you encounter issues, consult game wikis for specific command variations. Sometimes, restarting your game can help if the effect doesn't apply immediately. Also, ensure you have the proper permissions to use these commands effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.